Good morning, students. So, the last 2 days, we talked about two very similar processes: photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Why are they similar, you ask? Well, like we briefly touched upon yesterday, it really just acts as one big cycle. You can see right here from this diagram that it really is just one big cycle. Start with photosynthesis, makes oxygen and glucose, which is used for cellular respiration, which makes carbon dioxide and water, which is used for photosynthesis. Now, to really break it down for you, photosynthesis begins with plants collecting sunlight. They collect this in the chloroplast, then use the energy with a little bit of water to turn carbon dioxide into what? Glucose. Remember, glucose has to go through another process before it can really be used for energy. Just like our bodies must break down the food we eat in order to convert it to energy. Now, the way in which that glucose is converted to energy, as we discussed yesterday, is through a process called cellular respiration. Cellular respiration uses oxygen, hence the term respiration, to respire, oxygen. Respiration equals breathing. Breathe oxygen. Get it? Cellular respiration, like I said, uses oxygen to convert that glucose into that ATP thing we were talking about that is usable energy for plants. Remember where we said this occurs? The mitochondria. Wait, don't animal cells have mitochondria too? Yep. Cellular respiration does not just occur in plants, but happens in humans and animals too. So, class, it really is just one big cycle. Photosynthesis relies on the products of cellular respiration in order to work, and cellular respiration relies on the products of photosynthesis in order to work. Photosynthesis creates glucose and oxygen, which are the exact reactants. Remember, reactants are what we need for the process to occur. Glucose and oxygen, which is what photosynthesis creates, are the exact reactants of cellular respiration. Also, the products of cellular respiration are carbon dioxide and water, two of the three reactants of photosynthesis. Can we remember what the third reactant of photosynthesis is? Remember how plants need sunlight to live? That's because sunlight is the third reactant of photosynthesis. Without one process, the other would have a really hard time surviving. Just like a cell would have a really hard time surviving if all the organelles did not perform specific functions. Or just like our bodies would have a really hard time surviving if all our organs did not perform specific functions. It's crazy how many things have to work together in order for all of this life to occur, huh?